Looking at the Markets with David Modell. All I want for Christmas is gold. Hi, this is David Modell looking at the markets. What a great gift that would be, huh? Gold? Well, actually, it's a gift you can give yourself. It's also a gift you can give to other people. A lot of people are giving gold this holiday season. It is, after all, the gift that keeps on hedging against inflation. So more people want gold. Americans are buying it like crazy. Yeah, I can't blame them at all. More Americans are buying gold around the holiday season this year than last year, says it right here, and this is due to the general uptrend in demand. People want it, central banks want gold, institutional investors want gold, they call them the smart money, and they're buying it like crazy. So I predict, no guarantees, but I feel that there might be a huge rally in gold. I think Santa is going to bring a gift, a big gift, to people who already own the bullion and also the mining company shares before the year is over. Gold is jumping because of these challenging, scary times we're living in. Whenever scary, frightening things happen, what happens with gold? Typically, maybe not immediately, but sooner or later it tends to go up in value because it's an inflation hedge and it's a hedge against crisis times like what we're facing right now. Now imagine if you can get not only the gold bullion but also exposure to a company that is getting gold at a very, very cheap price, a huge discount to the spot price. Like here's a company, and this has AISC, that's all-in sustaining costs of US $554 per ounce of gold. Now if gold is trading at $1,800, perhaps soon enough $1,900 or $2,000 an ounce, I predict, per ounce of gold, and here's a company getting it basically out of the ground for $554 per US ounce. That's quite a discount, or Canadian $692 per ounce. Well, what company is this? It is called Gold Mountain Mining Corp. If you want to check them out, I'll put a link in the description below this video, gold-mountain.ca. And you can actually check out the stock, GMTNF, on the OTC markets, or GMTN on the TSX Canadian Exchange, focused on growth. Now, Gold Mountain Mining Corp is in British Columbia, Canada. That is like gold country, basically, in North America. It's an exploration development company focused on this project called the Elk Gold Project. It is past producing. I look for that in gold projects. Recently permitted mine located just 57 approximately kilometers from Merritt, British Columbia, the heart of gold country. And they are already in phase 2. Phase 1 was highly successful, 19,000 ounce production profile. And they're proposing to ramp up to 65,000 ounces by the year 2025. This is a huge opportunity. Gold Mountain Mining owns 100%, fully owned, I look for that as well, interest in the Elk Gold Project. The mining permit amendment, it was granted October 29 of this year, very recent. This is exciting news. It's not far from an all-season highway and the Elkhart Lodge. The property is huge, over 21,000 hectares of the land package. I mentioned that Elk Gold is past producing, high-grade gold mine, and a huge amount of historic drilling already on the property, 135,000, almost 136,000 meters of historic drilling on the property. These are all things I look for. Along with the AISC, I like it low, of course, and this is way, way below the spot price of gold. They're getting it out of the ground at a huge discount, and you could expose yourself to this opportunity through the shares of Gold Mountain Mining Corp. And there's exciting news here. Again, they just recently, at the end of October, received the permit from the Ministry of Mines in Canada. So it is all systems go to go ahead and mine aggressively and ambitiously, which they are doing in a big way. And also, they have the data to back this up. Gold Mountain hits additional high-grade intercepts in its Phase 2 drill program. I told you how they're going to ramp up production through 2025. And they are very pleased to announce the results from the Phase 2 drill program at the Elk Gold Project near Merritt, British Columbia. High-grade results, says it right there. So this is a huge opportunity with gold, I believe, going to rally throughout this year, sure, but I'm looking at next year and the year after that. When inflation is high, this is great for gold. When there are crisis events happening, this could also be huge for gold. It's very unfortunate that this crisis is happening, but at least you can get exposure to gold through the bullion, of course. Nothing wrong with owning that. I recommend it. But also through shares of mining companies. And the one that I'm focused on is getting the gold out of the ground very, very efficiently and cheaply. It is Gold Mountain Mining Corp, GMTNF on the OTC exchange, GMTN on the TSX Canadian exchange. If you want, you could check with your broker to see if they have these shares available to purchase if you want to. Chances are pretty good that they have them, but check with your broker. They're looking towards 2025 proposed ramp up to 65,000 ounces of high-grade gold. This is the kind of company that I want to be involved with, and you can check it out yourself as well. gold-mountain.ca. Link is in the description below this video. By all means, check it out. Decide for yourself whether this is what you want to get involved with. I know that I recommend it highly. I'm going to keep on bringing you opportunities like this. Go gold, all right? And I believe this is a huge opportunity right here for you. So thank you for watching and listening. My name is David Modell. This is Looking at the Markets. I will talk to you again soon.